guys, I've got Jackals here because, why? Why are you here?
I'm cool, and because I'm of the age to ride this bad boy.
So RND sent me one of their kid scooters. They only sell them on Amazon. It's $250 and it's for riders 8 years old and up. And you weigh what, 90 pounds?
Yeah, 90 pounds.
I'm gonna let Jackals take it from here.
I kind of like it. It's a different experience than your normal scooter because it's got a rubber wheel. It has a surprising amount of power for such a little scooter. It's not like other scooters that are clankety. It's smooth and quiet. The scooter has a 145-pound weight limit. I'm about 100 pounds, so let's see if I can reach the top speed of 10 miles an hour.
8, 7, 8.
There isn't a speedometer on it, so we had to ride with another scooter next to it, yelling out the numbers that we were going.
And how fast did you go?
8 to 9 miles an hour. The scooter weighs 19 pounds, so let's see how fast I can get up and go on the acceleration test.
How long did it take you to get to the top speed, would you say?
About 5 seconds. The RND has a range of 10 miles, so I'm gonna test that out next. There's actually no thumb throttle on this scooter. It's just on the deck here. The brake lever is up here. There's actually another brake on the rear wheel. To look at the battery on the scooter, you can press this little button and a little battery indicator will pop up here. The scooter has 3 speeds. How you change them is you double click this button until you get the speed that you want. The range was 7.15 miles. The scooter is rated up to a 15% hill. I took it up about a 6 to 7% hill. For being such a small scooter, I was impressed with the power it had coming up the hills. Coming down the same hill, I'm gonna test the dual braking. Let's see how it does.
Okay, how's those brakes treating you?
Pretty great.
Pretty good? So you hit it back of that tree and you stopped within probably 20 feet.
The RND can collapse in about 3 seconds. It has a 180-day warranty with an IP54 rating and a 4.5-hour recharge.
Okay, so you've been riding scooters for about a year, right?
Yeah.
And you've ridden some like super expensive $1,500 scooters, so you've had some experience.
Yeah.
All right, this is a 250 kid scooter. Would you recommend it to my viewers?
Yeah, I would. It's got a lot of power for being such a tiny scooter. Although it is a little bit slow.
Well, so for your size, how tall are you?
5 foot exactly.
5 foot and 90 pounds. Was it a good size for you? Too big, too small?
I feel like the handlebars were just right. That about wraps it up. Thanks for jumping on here and checking out the content. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. That's it for now.
Was that a King of Random sign off?
No.